There are two different ways that you can create a Google site. The first is from scratch and the second is from a template, and I'm going to show you how to do both here in this demonstration. When you're logged into your MyProwler or your Gmail account, click on the little 3x3 grid and choose Sites. And when you do so, you're going to arrive at the Google Sites page within your domain. And if you've created sites in the past, they show up here as mine do. If you haven't, there's probably an image here of a Google site, and it's probably welcoming you and telling you how easy it is to create a site. At any rate, we're going to start the same in both cases by clicking on the red Create button. And when I do that, I can either choose a blank template, as it is chosen right now because it's circled in red, or I can browse the gallery for more. Right now I'm going to show you how to create a site from scratch. So first thing you need to do is name your site, and I'm going to just put in Google Sites Demo. Now, the title does not have to be unique. There could be hundreds of sites out there called Google Sites Demo, even within our domain. This, however, the URL or the site location needs to be unique. So if this particular URL is not available, it will tell me so, and I might have to add some numbers or something like that to make it unique. And you notice it doesn't put spaces in here, it puts hyphens in for the spaces, and the only thing that's allowed is capital letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. So either way, I'm going to try just doing Google Sites Demo, and if I have to choose a different URL, I'll do so in a second. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click the little drop down arrow to select a theme. Now Google has put together quite a few themes, and when you choose a theme, you're not only choosing the colors of the background, but you're also choosing the colors of the fonts. They've put together different fonts depending upon the theme, all things that Google think looks good together in a package. So you're kind of buying into the whole package. You can customize them, but we're not going to do that at this point. So I'm going to just choose a theme here. I'll choose Micro Sport. And I can also, if I choose to do so, put in site categories or a site description, but I'm just going to leave those blank. So I've just named it, I've got my URL here, I've chosen a theme, and I'm going to hit create. And when I do that, it takes just a few minutes to create my site, and you'll notice that when it pops up, it will have not only the colors of the theme for the background, but you'll notice that it has a special font chosen and the fonts that look, font colors and whatnot that look good with this particular site. So that's how I create a site from scratch. And now I'm going to go in and show you how you would create a site from a template. So starting from the same space, this time when I go in and hit the create button, instead of choosing the blank template, I'm going to browse the gallery for more. And the first thing that shows up are templates that have been created in our domain at myprowler.org. And they're probably templates that teachers have put out for students to use, such as this one, or maybe the templates for our lesson plan sites and things like that. So these are just the myprowler.org templates. You can also go into the public template gallery and search all different kinds of sites. So here are the featured sites. There's classroom, soccer team, project wiki, floral, wedding instructional, whatever you want. If you're looking for a particular kind of site, you can search it here. At any rate, you just choose one that you like, and if you click on it, you get a little bit larger view, and I can click back to gallery to try a different one until I find one that I like. I'm just going to choose the Lincoln High School lesson plans template and hit select. And when I do that now, instead of blank template, this is the highlighted one. And I'm going to name it my name. And I'm going to add this because I already have a site created and I need to make this unique. I'm not going to select a theme this time because I've already selected one with the template. I'm just going to hit create. And when I do that, you will see that the site that's created takes on all of the elements of the template that I have chosen. And here it is. Now I can customize this template further if I choose to do so with the options up here, but I'll show you how to do that in a later video.